Welcome to this Excel tutorial. We'll explore 3 methods to sort names by last name. We'll start with a formula-based approach using the find and substitute functions, followed by using the text to columns feature. And finally, we'll dive into sorting names using VBA code. Let's explore each method. Let's begin with the first method, where we'll utilize a formula based on the find and substitute functions to extract the last name from the full name. This formula allows us to dynamically sort names by their last name without altering the original data. Assuming that you have a list of names in your worksheet and you would like to alphabetize by last name, you can create an Excel formula based on the right function, the len function, the find function and the substitute function. You need to extract the middle name firstly from the full names, then you can use the sort command to sort the last names. Then the columns with full name should be sorted by last name. Insert a new column next to your list of names. Enter the formula in the first cell of the new column. Equals right, B1. Len, B1. Find, hash. Substitute, B1, hash, 2, 1. Drag down the formula to fill the entire column. Select the cells that contain last name in range C1, C4, and then click Data tab. Click on Sort A to Z. Select Expand the selection radio button. Then click Sort button. You will see that the full names have been sorted by last names. Now, let's explore the second method, which involves using Excel's text to columns feature to split the full names into separate columns. This allows us to isolate the last names for sorting purposes. You can also use the text to columns command to extract the last name from a full name in Excel. Then you can sort the full name by last name cells. Just refer to the following steps. Select the range of cells that contains full name, then click on Data tab. Click on Text to Columns command under Data Tools group. The Convert Text to Columns wizard windows will appear. Then select Delimited Radio button. Click Next button. Select Space option in Delimiters section box, then click Next button. Choose destination cell, such as C1. Then click Finish button. You will see that all full names have been split into 3 columns. Select cells that contain last name, then go to Data tab, click on Sort A to Z command. Choose Expand the selection radio button, then click Sort button. You should see that the names are now sorted by last name. Finally, let's explore the third method, where we'll use VBA code to automate the sorting process. This approach is ideal for handling large datasets and offers flexibility and customization. Press Alt plus F11 in Excel to open the Visual Basic for Applications editor. In the VBA editor, go to the Insert menu at the top and select Module. This creates a new module where you can write and store your VBA code. Copy and paste the code into the blank module sheet. Close the VBA editor by clicking the X button or pressing Alt plus Q. This will return you to the Excel workbook. Press Alt plus F8 in Excel to open the Macro dialog box. This dialog box displays a list of available macros in the workbook. In the Macro dialog box, select the macro named Sort by last name. Click the Run button to execute the macro. Once you run the macro, a prompt will appear asking you to select the range of cells containing the names. Click and drag to select the desired range, then release the mouse button. Alternatively, you can click on the first cell of the range and hold down the Shift key while clicking on the last cell of the range. After selecting the source range, another prompt will appear asking you to select a single cell as the target range for the sorted data. Click on any single cell where you want the sorted data to be placed. Make sure to choose a cell that doesn't overlap with the source range to avoid overwriting the original data. Once you've selected both the source and target ranges, the macro will execute and sort the names by last name. A message box will appear indicating that the names have been sorted successfully. You should see that the names have been sorted correctly by last name in the target range. If you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to sort names by last name using different methods in Excel, don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.